Good morning, folks. So today we are celebrating Eid. Today we are cooking this very special dish which is called Dum Pukht. And Dum means steam and Pukht means to cook. So this is the pot that contains all the ingredients already, and it's slowly cooking. It's gonna take about 2 hours to cook. And there are two experts, Faisal Bhai and Abid Bhai. Of truth is here. Hanji.
हमारे वो माल लेके नीचे वाले ऊपर आ जाए ये पकड़ने लगे बंदे मेरी माने थोड़ी सी माने
Let's see how it is. Oh yeah. Nice. Juicy.
जबरदस्त है तो आप बताएंगे
बताया हाँ जी विकी भाई
मैं कहता हूँ क्या बात है आलू भी बहुत मजे के थे नान भी बहुत मजे के थे चावल भी बहुत मजे के
पानी की जो आवाज थी और जो हम खाना खा रहे थे सिंक्रोनाइज
बहुत मजा आया
जबरदस्त food guys
was
perfect so we are here
was perfect
are we waiting for tea now
I hope so
yes okay
excellent
perfect really good
enjoyed the ambience the food the
tea
okay
who's the chef for tea you're the chef okay so what's the game plan bro
the game plan is very simple the pour on the coals then that's it yes
everything will take care of itself
yes
so while we wait for tea maybe we can have some of these